Good morning, my friends. I hope you are having a beautiful Saturday, a beautiful start to your weekend. We got some bullish action going on in the market. The Fed and Jerome Powell have officially signaled that rate cuts are coming. So they did this yesterday morning. Jerome Powell spoke. He said, yep, we are confident now that we're ready to cut rates. So the market was already expecting that come the September Fed meeting, they're going to cut. Still not certain whether it'll be 25 basis points or 50 basis points, how fast they're going to cut. But we knew that was coming, but that was the first time that Jerome Powell and the Fed have officially come out and stated it and given us, confirmation. So the market responded well. Stocks pumped near all-time highs again. The Russell is pumping as well. So the smaller caps in the stock market. Bitcoin broke up to almost 65K. XRP still lagging a little bit, right? Saw a little breakout this morning on like 62, 63 cents. So we still have a ways to go, right? But this was positive, and looks like liquidity is starting to flow back in the market. So I've seen a few charts, a few pieces of information on Twitter about how China is starting to print again, or like introduce more money into the money supply. We have the global liquidity index has been ticking up for a while now, and it keeps kind of skyrocketing. And then global M2 money supply has also been breaking out. So the Fed isn't necessarily printing money right now, but we are about to see some form of quantitative easing. So, and again, more money supply and more liquidity typically means the markets go up. That's when bull runs happen, is during the liquidity cycles. As we go to the top of the liquidity cycle, as money supply is breaking out, and that's all happening right now. So these are very positive signs. Now, the one thing we do have to keep in mind and remember is traditionally rate cuts aren't good. Okay, in the past, when rate cuts have come, the top of the market has come within 0 to 2 months of those rate cuts, normally. So assuming we get a rate cut mid-September, that would mean we're probably going to see a market top going off of history, right, by the middle of November, which, I could see that being possible. People think that that's not possible, but if the market decides it's time to go and time to move, we could see this thing get parabolic for like 2 months, and then that's it. Market's over. Normally these things don't last for longer than that. They last for about a 2-month period when we get that parabolic mania phase for crypto. So we could see these rate cuts come in and kind of just be pumping into the rate cuts, pump for like a month and maybe 2 months after the rate cuts, then top out. Now I'm just kind of spitballing here, but like a scenario I could see, right, is the market pumps into the election in the US, and then we kind of get a top around the time the election happens, or right before or right after. Say Trump gets in, right, and he wins. After that, the market collapses. They blame it on Trump. Kamala gets in. I don't know. Like, I don't know how these things will impact it, but that's a scenario I could see playing out, right? Because the people in control obviously don't like Trump very much. So if Trump gets in, that's perfect timing, right? Market tops, everything starts to collapse. We actually finally get that recession everyone's been talking about. So who knows? Who knows how it'll play out? But this has been a great positive sign in the market. Liquidity is still on the rise. Money supply is still breaking out. Stocks are still pushing all-time highs. Bitcoin showing strength again. XRP on the verge of a massive breakout. Markets look good, man. The money printer, go Burr, like you saw in the thumbnail. And hopefully we are set up here for the coming weeks to be giga bullish, and we get that euphoria, that mania phase in the market that we've all been waiting for, and altcoins can really have their time to shine. So we'll have to wait and see. Time will tell, as always, but hope you enjoyed the little update. Hope you're as optimistic as I am. Hope you have a beautiful weekend. like the video, subscribe to the channel, let me know your thoughts in the comments, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.